Namaskar everyone. My name is Manit Kumar. So I got so many queries regarding why my channel name is Beige Trader. So I thought to make a video on it. So today we are going to discuss why we named our channel as Beige Trader. There is a very distinct reason why I have named my channel as Beige Trader. So stay tuned and I will be taking you to the screen, and from there we can further start our video to understand why. So without any delay, let's come to the screen. So as you know, if you want to make a tall building, the base needs to be very deep and strong. So here also, while trading base, we see quality of bases. Quality of base actually determines how much a stock can move from that level. It's not exact, but actually we get some idea that up to where that stock can move. So obviously, if the base is very strong and deep, the chances of that strong going high increases. And when I say base, it means certain pattern on the chart. The bases that I know as of now is like head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder, cup and handle, inverse cup and handle, triangle. In triangle, there are many categories like wedges, symmetrical triangle, double top, double bottom. So these are the bases that I know. If you know any other bases, comment below. Out of all these, the base that I trade is VCP. So VCP pattern itself is a part of cup and handle. It is an extension of cup and handle pattern. But question still remains why I chose to trade VCP. The answer is it provides least possible risk. It gives you entry at very minimal risk. It means by taking very small risk, you can take entry, logical stop loss, and you can obviously multiply your money three times, four times, five times, depending upon the movement you are getting after that. So VCP provides a unique combination of low risk and better return. If you have been actively trading in the market, you must have got what I mean. Risk management is everything in the market. If you do professional trading, you must know that it is the risk management that actually serves you in the long term. Now we'll move to the real life scenario where we will see application of VCP in stock. So let us go to the chart and experience the real life challenges of trading. So now we are going to look into some of the charts. Okay. And let us see how VCP works actually. So let us move to the chart and see by ourselves. So as of now, we will be looking into four charts. Okay, to understand how it works in real life. So let us come to the first chart. The first one is Surya Rosni. Okay, so I want you all to focus on this area. I am actually deleting everything. Okay, so now let us draw something for you. So now you can see here it is a VCP formation. See the from left to right there is a continuous compression. See the seller is coming and the buyer is pushing market to this level. Again seller is coming and buyer is pushing again it to the this level. Again seller is coming, but all the supply is being absorbed by the buyer. This is something that we have to understand, that it is a proper play of demand and supply. There is more supply over here first time, second time there is even less supply, and the third time even less supply. So after breakout you can see what kind of volume it is generating. And if we talk about risk, so what kind of risk here we are taking? Around 3.79%. So this is very fundamental of professional trading, that risk should be very low. There are many advantages of taking low risk. I will be discussing it further in other video. But as of now, we'll look into only the VCP pattern, that how it works and how you can take entry over here. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can comment below. You can ping me down so that I can clarify your doubt or answer your queries. So this is first example. Okay. Next, let us move to the next stock, that is BLS. You can see the play here. See this horizontal line. How stock is coming here, and again supply is coming. Again there is a demand. Again supply is coming, demand, and again supply is coming. And you can see the volume play also. While coming down there is very low volume. While going up, while the formation of green candle, there is high volume candle. Same in the case of Surya Roshni also. You can see over here. when candle is forming, the volume is very low. So this is something, a proper demand and supply in the charted form. You can say demand and supply. If you're going to plot demand and supply, it is going to be something like this. Okay, so this was BLS. Okay, here also, if you take kind of a risk over here, even though this is the, here you are getting 8% of risk. Okay, you sometimes you can take this risk, even now you can take this trade, but actually your risk is going to be more. So you can actually avoid this and you can take the trade over here, only 5.81% of risk. So this is how you take the trade while taking minimum risk. So let us move to the next stock, GRSE. Okay, here also you can see a proper VCP formation and display. See, first time, second time, third time. You see the kind of risk here. It's only 6.88%. Okay, so this allows us to take a heavy quantity with more position sizing, and we can take a long target over here. So these are the examples of how you trade VCP. Actually, the main a great thing about VCP is you can take heavy position over here and you can really trail it. Okay. Let us take one more example. Supreme Industry. So you can see right here how this structure is contracting towards the right side. There is no supply. There is no supply left. Even if supply is coming, it is being absorbed. And once the breakout, you can see the directional move. This is the play of pure and demand and supply. So this is something that I was trying to explain. So always remember, trading is all about risk management. Even if you have the best strategy of the world, but you don't know how to manage risk, or if the risk is not managed properly in that strategy, it is going to be like disaster for you. So without a robust risk management system, you cannot survive, you cannot thrive in the market for long. So if you think you got to learn something new and interesting, consider liking this video and please subscribe the channel, because it takes a lot of effort to make this kind of video and bring it to you. So yeah, consider liking the video. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.